locksmith here. Sorry, locksmith here. Here we have a 5 lever. And count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lever era BS mortise lock. I had an ICL mortise pick nicked a few weeks back. Work is too tight, couldn't afford to buy a new one. Got on the forum, had a look at Nevy's homemade curtain pick, courtesy of Nevy and Burn. Here you go. One cut down key, one of the picks there, and I'm using a pin vise on the handle on that. I tried to get some polymorph earlier, but no one's got any, so I'm using pliers until then because it cut my hands to bloody ribbons. Here we go. Let's see how quick this goes in, shall we? Turn it around. I've cut this out like this, you can see this, you know, I'm not cheating. Basically, there you go. Save the ends because like a polymorph. Right, here we go. I've also got to give a big thanks to any locks for the mortise locks. A couple of quid each without any keys. There you go. Job done. Try to take them apart, see what was going on in there. There you go. That's the one. Just reset them for you. And there we go. Yep. There you go. Right, let's do it as you were blind, as you say. Also, a big thank you to Nev. For some reason, I had to follow the instructions for the actual pick wires. I wasn't able to reach the back. So Nev suggested, in his ill state as he is, confined to bed, that I extended the range of the wire from 4mm to 3mm to 2mm, or reduce actually, or just extend. And instead of putting on a 90-degree angle, try a 45 and through. Great, recommendations. Marvellous. Camera shy, that's what it is. Camera shy. Right, bear with me. Right, my anti-polymorph grip. Alright, there you go. Alright, let's see what this will do. There you go. Job done. Thank you very much, Nev. Thank you very much, Burn. Thank you very much, UK Bumkeys. Thank you very much, all locks. Any locks for this? Locksmith, over and out. Hope you enjoy. Give me another star. Bye-bye.